Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. See our new model. If you're into high-end rides, cutting-edge tech, and next-level comfort, you're gonna love what we have today. This is the all-new Range Rover SV, and it might just be the most refined SUV on the planet. The 2026 Range Rover SV takes elegance to another level. Up front, you get a new resculpted grille, flanked by digital LED headlights with pixel technology, giving you the perfect balance of power and sophistication. The SV also comes with exclusive two-tone paint options and massive 23-inch forged alloy wheels. Subtle SV badging and flush door handles keep things sleek and minimal, exactly what you'd expect from the flagship model. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into a first-class lounge on wheels. The SV cabin is all about personalization, craftsmanship, and tranquility. You'll find semi-aniline leather or sustainable ultra fabrics, a full-length glass roof, and beautiful ceramic or wood accents. The rear seats? Think reclining, massaging, with deployable tray tables and a built-in refrigerator. Yeah, it's that kind of luxury. The 13.1-inch rear entertainment screens, Meridian signature sound system with active noise cancellation, and ambient mood lighting give you a full VIP experience, whether you're driving or being chauffeured. Now, let's talk power. The 2026 SV offers multiple powertrains, but the crown jewel? A 615 horsepower twin-turbo V8 sourced from BMW, delivering silky smooth acceleration with that iconic growl. 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds, plus standard air suspension, active roll control, and all-wheel steering mean this luxury beast handles like a dream, whether you're gliding down a highway or crawling up a mountain trail. And for those looking to go green without sacrificing style, the SV PHEV offers an all-electric range of over 50 miles, silent, clean, and still commanding. So, is the 2026 Range Rover SV worth the hype, and the price tag? If you want unmatched luxury, real performance, and a cabin that feels more like a private jet than a vehicle, then yeah, this might just be the ultimate SUV. What do you think? Is the SV the king of luxury SUVs, or is there a new contender in town? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more high-end reviews coming your way. Catch you in the next one.